Hello everyone, today is going to be epic because I have the Sparta 30cc bicycle. It's got a built-in engine here. It's also road legal, like I could put a license plate on there and drive around on the streets. So that made me well excited. And because it's an old bike, the build quality is pretty decent. So my plan is to give it a first test, see if it works, and then put some like big forks on it and go and ride like proper trails and hit some jumps and stuff. You start it by flicking this switch here, and then we just pull this. Oh, straight on, look at that beauty, look. The exhaust sits under the back here and it is so quiet. Fuel in there, goes down straight in. I actually spent like 3 hours this morning trying to make it work because it worked in the guy's garden that I bought it off, and then it didn't work. Then I cleaned all the carbon stuff and like learnt how to use how to be a mechanic, and now I think it works. That's it, look. It's so not fast. I was expecting it to be well quick because it's road legal. Oh, it's picking up a bit though. Oh no, this is gonna be so good on the track. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it wheelies, yes. Oh my God, it's gonna be the wheelie machine. Let's get a huge one. Oh, almost. Oh. Yes! First test is going down so well. Actually, why have an e-bike when you just have a motor on the back and pollute while riding? Your go, Louis. Right, let's have a little test of this. Quite quick, really. Could do with a bit of a tune-up. Let's do a little fly-by. Cool, that's quite good actually. Isn't that, it's like the most pleasant ride ever. Yeah. And you just flick that way and it turn it off. Cool. Before we move on now, I want to do one final huge long wheelie. So, let's. Oh! Yeah! Freestyle! Let's go somewhere else. After that last wheelie, the bike wouldn't start again, so I proceeded to take the engine fully apart once again for the third time. Once I'd put it back together, I went to pull the cord to start it. That snapped, I got super angry, ghosted it, and decided to throw that bike into the fire pit. We're now here. I've decided to switch to the Sur-Ron, which is down there. I wanted to twist some throttle and actually go fast. And I remembered this perfect spot. It's a big natural tabletop. I'm just gonna clear the run up. We're just gonna scrape in this line. Oh my God, this is actually gonna fire. It's such a big lip. Whoa, yo. It's actually quite a big jump, wasn't it? Whoa! Oh my God. That went so big. That's so scary with that tree there though. Well, that was quite freestyle, dude. While we're here, let's see if I can get a bit sideways. Like I said, them trees are quite terrifying because look, if you just go maybe half a foot out of line up the lip, you will aim at that tree. which could be gnarly. Whoa! It's sort of working all of a sudden, isn't it? Oh my God, that's so cool. I reckon the ultimate trick across here be a Superman. I've done it once off the hopper ramp on this thing. I haven't done it since. Can't really remember. Let's just do it in slow-mo the whole time in case I get a good one. I'm actually quite stoked on that Superman. It wasn't like fully straight like I wanted, but that lip's not ready for it. I've got to give that a sneaky shape at some point. And so it's got a definitive takeoff, and I think that'll actually be amazing. But as it's not got a good lip, let's try a danger jump and go that way and step down into that. Oh no, instantly towards the tree. Oh my God. Wow, that feels so good. Oh, the Sur-Ron's so fun. This is like sort of what my mind was thinking that that funny little bike I bought at the start was going to be like. Powerful and noisy. Obviously 30cc was never going to be good, was it? Oh my God. I think we should go and find some more stuff to do with this. Come on. I tricked Louis into thinking we were going to go and film some biking, and oops, we've come foiling again. Oh, poor Louis. Now we're just going to do a quick half-hour to 2-hour session. We've still got the Sur-Ron in the car, but I want to do a 360 today, a huge air, and a few little bits and bobs that will probably be somewhat interesting, and especially interesting for myself. So, come on. Come from the sea to the skate park to get a bit urban on the Sur-Ron. I'm going to start with a proper Sur-Ronic move up there and then like Manny back into there, like just pretending it's a BMX. Oh, that's so hard. Whoa! Oh my God, I thought I was going to die. Disco. Yes, please. I'm taking it with the foot dab. Yes! Let's get this hip then. Oh, I'm sure we can steeze that with the fisheye. Right, skate parking's getting sketchy. My hand landed like that, so if I'd have leant back, I'd have just flown over the back of that quarter pipe. Would have been a good clip, but the end of my life. Let's find something else. We just found a little streety spot. I've done it before on the mountain bike. You can go along here and blast step down into this perfect banked landing. Oh my God, beach and Sur-Ron equals pure dreams. Oh, it's like Speedway. Right, let's get out of here quick. The finale is such a banger. Look at that over there. That's a road. and there's a perfect banked bit of grass next to it. It just sprung into my mind that it is a full-on road gap with consequences of an illegal nature, because if I touch the road, I get in trouble. You're not allowed to touch the road on these because this one isn't road legal. So I'm going to go flat out across this field here, clearing the road, thus not breaking the law. What a fun finale. I'm going to scope it quick. I'm just going to go for it and get it done before the po-po come. Po-po, listen to yourself, you're 34. Let's clear a road. Yes! So chill. Proper road gap. Let's get a long distance slow-mo of that. Oh no, look that way. Yo, what a sick finale, clearing that road gap. Amazing. But unfortunately, that is the end of the video. See you in the next one. Let's go.